here on the Disney Wish. Pulling into Castaway Cay for the day. Beautiful sunrise. Never been here, excited to check it out.
We gotta scan our passes to get on.
Castaway Cay. All right, come on.
Let's get on the tram.
Ensure your little ones are seated to the inside of the cab. And only let children younger than 3 sit in your lap. Remember, stay in your seat anytime the tram is moving, and no smoking, please.
You should disembark here for Scotland School Children Program area, One Show Point Famous Whale Skeleton Day, Castaway Race Stingray Adventure, Watercraft Rentals, Guild Spins Rentals, Snorkel Rentals, and She Sells, Seashells, and everything else. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at 2 locations. Cookies barbecue and cookies too. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. Now please remain seated until the tram has come to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step.
Hello everyone. Once again, if you're continuing on to Serenity Bay, please wait at this tram stop. The tram.
We gotta go get a chair and then we can come look. Next, Jackie.
This is Pelican Point. The ship's right over there. Kid area, water slides.
Get out here!
Beautiful water. Really nice beach here at Castaway Cay. Where are we at, Finn?
Castaway Cay.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You like this beach?
Yeah. I went down to the bathroom. I went down to the... Say thank you.
Right there.
You got your Olaf drink? Which one did you get? Let it go?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. Welcome, welcome, families, welcome. Here, here. Welcome, we have full lunch. Call me.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.
Beautiful day here at Castaway Cay. Here's the Disney Wish. Getting back on board. There is a cargo ship out there, isn't there? How many are there?